Hello everyone, I am Courtney Ashford. I am 22 years old and I currently live in Rancho Cucamonga, California, which is about an hour east of Los Angeles. So I want to dive right in and get to the core of why I chose the North Face and why I chose this ad. So the first reason why I chose the North Face in this ad is because I love the North Face. I started snowboarding and doing different snow sports when I was in high school. And then from there I moved and changed and started doing rock climbing. I found that through the years there was no other brand that could really compare to the durability and style of the North Face. I could just go into the store, pick up some ski pants, and then go and buy some rock climbing pants all in one trip, which was huge for me. The second reason is that I actually work at the North Face. My love for it and the different knowledge that I have about the products and how it translates into activities led me to get a job there. And I remember when this ad actually came out. This ad campaign is all about capturing your skills and abilities and then sharing that via social media. And it's actually sponsored by Defy TV with the North Face. Oh, let's get out of that. The colors of the original ad are a cool tone. There's the blue sky, the white snow, and you can see that when you're skiing or snowboarding, that when you're actually in that sport, those are the tones that are around you. So what I really appreciate about this original ad is that you feel like you are actually there on the mountain when you look at it. It captures the whole essence of the sport. Now I'm going to scroll down to the new ad, and it's a completely opposite sort of tone, a color palette. You have warm colors, and those are the same exact colors that you see when you're rock climbing. Typically the stone is warmer, the sun is coming out, and there's obviously, well, there shouldn't be snow unless you're doing that kind of climbing, but I wanted to capture the essence of rock climbing as the original ad did. I wanted to capture the colors and really do the sport justice when it comes to the pictures. The next thing I want to get into is the typography and the design element of the video box. So I obviously wanted to match the video box in the original ad, as you can see right there, and I put that right there. I also wanted to capture the same type of typography. So I basically just tried to get as consistent as I could with my typography. I did a script as they did here, and then I did a sans font where it says upload your videos. I did that the same on the new ad. The other thing I also want to get into, which will also be the last point that I make about the design elements, is the rule of thirds. In the new ad, you can see that it follows the rule of thirds. The horizon line is right there. The athlete is on this side of the third, and the typography is actually crossing a couple of different lines. In the original ad, it also follows that same layout, and I really wanted to make that part of the consistency. If I couldn't make the same exact colors, I wanted to do very similar design elements with the rule of thirds, the video box, the same typography. But I wanted to put an emphasis on that they aren't the same sport. They're going to look different, the ads will, but that when they're sitting side by side, I didn't want them to like compare with one another. I wanted them to complement one another, which is why I went with the design elements that I did and using the same consistency that I did. So thank you for watching my presentation. Leave comments below, let me know what you think, and I'm grateful that I could do this presentation. Have a great day. Bye.